Hello, hi everybody, hi YouTubers, hi all to my friends. Guys, today Wi-Fi monster has been arrived. So it's a great time to take a look how it looks like. What's the advantages, what's the disadvantages. This is the box, as you can see it's factory sealed. And hopefully it should be the best Wi-Fi right now on the market. I mean, like best Wi-Fi routers, best Wi-Fi system for your home. It supports technology gigabit Wi-Fi 6. It's promised to be covered up to 6,000 square feet of your house, so it's a pro system. And let's see first how it looks like. Okay, time to unbox and then I will tell you some starters. So now we are using the Orbi, but not really satisfied with the stability, because very often this signal just losing. I don't know why it happens. So this is, as you can see, how the box looks like. So Orbi make the pretty good speed, but the stability I'm not really satisfied. So that's why we decide to upgrade to better version. Also, you know, like I guess why the Orbi works not really good in our house. First of all, I purchased the cheapest version of the Orbi 3-band system. It was RBR20 2200. So, and probably we have like too many devices in our home because we're using the smart home. So you know, like every lamp, every item, like everything else, it's connected to Wi-Fi, and probably it's too many devices for the cheapest Orbi. Okay, so now we took off the factory tape, and it looks pretty good. You know, I know it's not so much important how these things, but you know, you can feel like how this Eero guys who taking care about the packaging, they was really trying to make it really good. So basically it looks pretty good. As you can see, I don't know how to comment all these things, but you can see everything by your own eyes. It looks pretty like stylish. It looks really good. It has 2 Ethernet ports and USB-C interface for charging. What else? So let's take a look to other devices. It's actually it looks the same here, and here the third one. The third one also looks beautiful, guys. Looks beautiful, and 3 of them looks exactly the same. So for now, I even don't know which one is a router and which one is a satellite. But probably it's not really matter. Okay, what the other things? So we have some papers. It looks like quick start guide. You're just a few steps away from seamless Wi-Fi. Okay, so here like simple instructions on the first paper, other paper almost nothing, and the last one paper warranty information, and also like nothing like really important. Okay, each of these boxes have a charger. It has pretty long cable. The charger also looks pretty good. As you can see, you have like Eero logo on the top of the surface. And as I told before, the USB-C interface. That's really good. That's really good. I guess like very soon, like all world will switch to the USB-C interface. The second one had the same. It has the same. It's 27 watt. It's 27 watt charger. So also you can charge it like your iPads, you know, like, or your any Android phone, and this charging will be like pretty fast. Okay, and the last one, actually it was the first one, so we still have the same charger, and Ethernet cable to pretty good quality. Also I can feel this, you know, like it's not just the regular cable, yeah, like you're buying for like $5 at I don't know, at some regular store or at somewhere at Amazon. It's pretty good. It's quality of cable, and we're gonna use it for connect our router with the modem. So guys, this is it was the simple, very simple unboxing. Hopefully, I don't know, maybe I will be first in the YouTube who posted, because of the Amazon delivery just delivered it to me, and nothing else here in the box anymore. This is how it looks like in general, and my experience with these devices I will post a little bit later, maybe a few days after. So I will try to post it today as soon as possible. I wanna try to be first. Sorry. And the reason, so I will make the comparison with the Orbi. You know, what's good was in Orbi, what was bad in Orbi, and how the new Eero system will work in our home. So, but I don't know, I feel it will be really good, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, and nearest days you will see my experience and my feelings, how it works, and everything else about it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and have a wonderful day to everybody. Please be safe. Thank you.